If your diesel is losing power, hesitating, or blowing out more smoke than it should, you could be dealing with a fuel system issue. And trust us, when it comes to diesels, the fuel system is at the heart of the whole thing. Diesel fuel systems run an insane pressure, and small problems can cause big-time damage. We handle everything from bad injectors, failing lift pumps, to clogged fuel filters and water contamination. If it moves fuel, we know how to fix it. At Diesel WorX, we don't throw parts at a problem. We diagnose it right the first time. We're a family-owned Central Texas shop built by the same team behind 3W truck beds. So we've earned our reputation for quality and honesty. We strive for same-day, quick service, and we stand behind our work. Loss of power, hard starts, poor fuel economy could be your fuel pressure regulator, injector pump, bad glow plugs, or air in the system. We work on Duramax, Cummins, or Power Stroke. We don't flinch when things get complicated. If your truck's feeling sluggish, acting weird, don't wait for it to leave you stranded. Bring it to Diesel WorX for expert diesel fuel system repair. We'll get your power back and we'll keep you moving forward. Give us a call at 3W Diesel WorX or text 254-739-5483. We'll work with you to build it your way, faster, stronger, and better than ever.